Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are making paprika egg sauce and yam. This is a very easy and delicious breakfast recipe that you can add to your collection. Let me show you how to make it. I will start by dicing the fresh tomatoes. This is quite simple. Just cut horizontally, then vertical, and set this aside. Now we are going to prep other ingredients, starting with the bell peppers. We are using the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and the yellow bell pepper. You can get this from any supermarket, big stores, ShopRite and Co. They will always have it, okay? We are gonna start by chopping this into smaller sizes. Let me show you guys how to properly cut your peppers. First, cut it open to remove the seeds and set it aside. Now we're going to cut this into small size slabs, depending on the size that you want, but this is the size we're going for. Not too big, not too small either. But guys, feel free to cut this into any shape that you want. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking to watch today's recipe. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. And to my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch. Once we're done cutting the peppers, we'll move to the onion. Cut 3 green onions. This is also called spring onions. So cut it into smaller chops. Keep the leafy parts separate from the stem parts because we'll use them at a different times during cooking. Then the scotch bonnet peppers. You want to make sure you don't touch it, so just use your knife and do it like a rock sharp thing. Just put the tip of the knife on the chopping board and then go back and forth just like this. That's going to get the job done without stressing your hands. Now we're done prepping our veggies, so we're going to start the meal proper. Place a pan on a medium to low heat. Sprinkle some vegetable oil. And now we're going to saute our veggies. I like to do this separately. Some people just add everything in the pot at the same time, but I just feel like frying it separately will make our egg sauce more delicious. So I added some onion, the scotch bonnet peppers and salt. So mix this together and fry until it's translucent. And then add your tomatoes. These tomatoes are plum tomatoes. They are very sweet, so you don't need to fry them for so long. Just fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. While we are waiting for the tomatoes to fry, crack your eggs into a bowl. Please make sure to use a bowl big enough to hold the eggs so you can whisk without it spilling. You want to season your eggs, but make sure you taste the main sauce, okay? Before you put more salt in your eggs, so you don't over salt the eggs. So add some salt, some chili peppers, and then whisk. Once the tomatoes become soft and look somewhat like this, we can add the veggies. I added the yellow bell pepper, the red bell pepper, and the green bell pepper. Mix well to incorporate and then add your spring onions. Just 2 seasoning cubes is enough. We want that natural egg taste. So mix well to combine. And finally, add the eggs. My sauce was looking too dry, so I added a little more oil, just very little. Reduce to low heat, cover and let this simmer for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the pan and gently fluff the sauce to make sure it doesn't burn. And our sauce is ready. Very simple and easy to make. Look at that. All veggies are crisp, still fresh, no color changing like traffic light. And the nutritional contents are still intact. Very delicious. You're gonna love it. You can serve this as a main meal or pair with rice, yam or anything that you prefer. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends and family. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you next time.